In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly clear your Todoist inbox in just 5 minutes. Managing your tasks efficiently can save you a lot of time and improve your productivity, so let's dive right in and get your Todoist inbox organized. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Todoist. In the address bar, type in app.todoist.com/login. Hit enter and this should take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, simply input your email address and password. Alternatively, Todoist offers a quicker way to log in by using your Google, Facebook or Apple account. This can save you time and also means you won't have to remember another password. Now that you're logged in, it's time to tackle your inbox. One essential tip for managing your tasks efficiently is to set aside a small amount of time each day or week to review what's in your Todoist inbox. This habit can do wonders for keeping your task list manageable and ensuring you're always aware of what needs to be done. Start by going through each item one by one. This might sound tedious, but trust me, it's the best way to ensure you don't overlook anything important. As you review each task, you'll need to make a decision on what action to take with it. If a task is no longer relevant, feel free to simply delete it. There's no point cluttering up your list with things that don't need your attention. For tasks that are still important, consider where they belong. If a task is related to a specific project, then drag and drop it into that project. This helps in keeping similar tasks together and organized. You might come across tasks that need to be done by a certain date. In that case, you should add a due date. This helps in prioritizing tasks and ensuring they're completed on time. Speaking of priorities, if a task is particularly urgent or important, add it to your today view. This way you can focus on what needs your immediate attention. To keep your Todoist inbox from becoming overwhelming in the future, make it a habit to repeat this process regularly. By dedicating a little time consistently, you can prevent your inbox from becoming overloaded and keep your task management efficient. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to clear your Todoist inbox in just a few minutes. With regular practice, these steps will become second nature, helping you stay organized and on top of your tasks. Thank you for watching and happy task clearing.